Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add items to your list in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged in. In case you have not to log in, I'm gonna move right back to the topic. I'm just gonna select an item, and as you can see, this is the item page. And right now, I just want to add it to my list. On the right section, you can see something like this. Well, here's add to cart. And just below it, you can see something like add to list. Right next to add to list, you can see your drop down button. Simply click on it. And from here, select the list of your choice. Do note that you can create a new list from here as well. Right now, I'm just gonna select this one. And as you can see, the item has been added to my list. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Well, as you can see, this right here is my list. And from here, you can add it to cart or simply move the item from one list to another. And if you want to remove this item from your list, simply click on this trash can icon right here. And guys, that's it. That's how you add an item to your list in your Amazon profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.